there, baby. Come and grab my body.
Hello friends, and welcome once again to BrinaCreations. My name is Oge and I'm reaching you from Abuja, Nigeria. I make videos on healthy living, great recipes, gardening, and of course how to manage your home on a budget. In today's video, I'm going to be harvesting some vegetables from my garden. So you want to watch to the end because I'm going to be talking about a couple of things, and I'm also be taking you on a semi-tour around my backyard garden. So here I'm harvesting some scent leaf and also some spinach. Guess what? This spinach, I just bought about 200 naira worth of spinach, and then I just put just a few stems in the ground. Look at that bucket, this spin bucket. I just put one stem and then it's already producing. And then now I have a bunch of spinach in my backyard garden. They grow like weed. Trust me, guys. And even this water leaf, they are doing so well. I wish I had more space. I would have planted much more vegetables in my garden. So if you're looking to be like me, stay tuned and watch till the very end so you can learn one or two things from what I have been doing. As you can see, we're living in an apartment that has only a few space for gardening. So I've mainly used containers to make up for the shortage of space. So here in the original garden bed that was provided, that is supposed to be for flowers. Instead of using them to plant flowers, I tried to plant vegetables. I mean, who flowers help, Yeah, sometimes, flowers are very beautiful. But if you can grow food on the space for flowers, why not? So I also have garden eggs, by the way. And this particular one was eaten by some animal or whatever. And then, yeah, I missed it before it was time to harvest. I also have a couple more growing. And yes, it is very, very heartwarming and something joyful for me to harvest things from my garden. I also have this other species of garden egg. I planted it. I don't even know. It looks like the green ones, but it has some thorns on them that I don't understand. So, guys, you can help me if you know more about it. I also planted this bell pepper, and the pepper is not doing well. Up to today, pepper used to do me strong thing. Be show me pepper. But guys, it's a learning curve for me, and I'm going to keep practicing until I get it. So I'm not an expert. I learn as I go, but I've been able to learn a lot so far, and so far I'm sharing what I've been able to learn. Right now, I have so many scent leaves around and so many curry leaves as well, including spinach and water leaves. I intend to grow some more plants. Meanwhile, this is a miracle plant, miracle leaf. You just need to drop one of the leaves on the ground and then you have so many plants. In another video, I'll be talking more of that. So while harvesting, what I do, I try to clean up as I go. So this particular plant has a couple of stems or had a couple of stems that were not producing. If you notice, I harvested heavily. So what I'm just doing is to trim as I go so that the plant can keep producing. Scent leaf, I used to think it was an annual crop, but I've come to understand it's a perennial crop. During dry season, harmattan season, it may look like it's dormant if you do not water. In fact, even if you don't water, it will still keep growing, but maybe not as luscious as when you water them. So what I do is I keep watering every couple of days during the dry season. And then all the seeds that get mature over this period, they get to dry out. And during the rainy season, everything starts to spring up once again. This is not a huge harvest. Maybe when I'm clearing out my garden, I have some other plants like shoko that weed have eaten. I very much don't like to use chemicals, but I mean, we'll get there when we'll be able to do natural without pests, you know. I also have ugu. This ugu is not giving me what I want. I'm not an expert in growing ugu. My mom used to have a lot of ugu in our backyard. I harvest this ugu and maybe I just feel like maybe I've harvested it too much that is now beefing me. So, but I'm still harvesting anyways. If it was just maybe like a quick meal, porridge and stuff like that, I would just be okay with this little harvest I have. But right now, this I've harvested this ugu for a batch cooking session I was going to have. So that's why I did this harvest. I actually made this video a very long time ago, but it was in my draft. I decided to just share with you guys. So yeah, I'll be linking the video of the batch cooking as well to this video, so you can also learn one or two things. So don't mind that I'm dropping it on the ground. It's eventually going to be washed. So this is what I have. I have not so much harvest, but this is very, very meaningful to me and it gives me a lot of joy. It helps me save just a little 2 cents or daily 2K. You know, I still have more scent leaf growing. I did a video some time ago on how to plant scent leaves, water leaves, and all of that. I'm also going to be linking it to this video, guys. So this is what a typical batch cooking day looks like for us here. And I have prepped most of the ingredients I have. I just decided to go to my garden to pick up more leaves and vegetables just to add to the ones I got from the market. So I have in this nylon, I have here my water leaves, scent leaves that I harvested from my garden. Yes, and I'm going to be prepping it because I want to make banga soup. I prefer to use scent leaves for my banga, and that's what I'm going to use. And the scent leaf I harvested from my garden is just okay for me to use my banga soup. And then I have also ugu, and then I have here ugu that has been pre-cut because I usually cut vegetables myself, but you see today, I don't have that power. So I also have water leaves that has been cut because I wanted to save. Imagine having to prep all these ingredients. I just decided to save some time and, you know, for them to cut them from me from the house. I also have some uziza leaves, which helps to enhance the flavor of every meal that you use it for, right, guys? If you've watched up to this level, I want to say thank you so much, guys, for showing me love and support. I appreciate you guys truly. It's just once again, I make videos on healthy living, budgeting, gardening, and how to manage your home on a budget. So if you're struggling with budgeting, savings, and all the things that you need to be able to grow wealth in the long run, and of course keep your home together as a mom, as a wife, as a woman, as a man, you want to subscribe and then give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to share with your friends and loved ones. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop your comments below. I'll be glad to respond to as many questions as you have, guys. So this is a clip from the video of the batch cooking. That's why you see me still pointing up different things, but that's okay. I'm going to be linking that to this video, guys, so you want to watch it to see how we do it here, guys. So I'll be seeing you in my next one, guys. Until then, I love you. Stay safe. Bye.